Good morning, students. Today we will discuss opposite of identity number 5. So see children, opposite of identity number 5. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to in the bracket x plus y plus z whole square. So see children, here x is the first term, y is the second term and z is the third term. Now this identity we can use if and only if square of the first term plus square of the second term plus square of the third term plus product of two first term and second term plus product of two second term and third term plus product of two third term and first term. Then we can write is equal to in the bracket x plus y plus z whole square. Or we can say that first term plus second term plus third term whole square. Now how we can use this identity to solve questions? This I can explain to you. So see children, here question is given to us and heading of the question is factorize the following. See 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So first we will identify square root of the first term, second term and third term and then we can arrange the term. So see children, here 4x square it is the first term of the question, 9y square it is the second term of the question and 16z square it is the third term of the question. Now we will identify square root of the first term, second term and third term of the question and other terms we can arrange according to 2xy, 2yz and 2zx. So see children, is equal to, first we will identify square root of the 4x square. So square root of the 4 is what? 2. So in bracket 2. Square root of the x square is what? 2 remove, then what? X and their square. Now we will check our question is right or wrong. So see, this 2 is square of 2. So 2 2 is 4. And x square, square of the x square. So our arrangement is right. This plus then plus. Now we will find square root of the 9y square. So what is the square root of 9? Square root of 9 is 3. And what is the square root of y square? Square root of y square is what? Y. And their square. Now see 3 square. So 3 3s are 9. Y square. So y square k. So our arrangement is right. Plus then plus. Now square root of 16. Square root of 16 is what? 4. But here we can write minus 4. Why we can write here minus 4? So see children, here in a question, minus sign is available with 24yz and 16xz. See minus 24yz minus 16xz. So minus sign is available with minus 24yz and minus 16xz. So see children, minus sign is available with yz and xz. So in yz and xz, which variable is same or which variable is common? So in yz and xz, variable z is common or variable z is same. So here we can write negative sign with z. Why we can write negative sign with z? Because the negative sign is available with yz and xz. And in yz and xz, z is the common. So we can write negative sign with 16z square. 16 square root is 4. So negative sign we can write here. And z square root is what? Z. And its square. So see children, minus 4 square. So minus 4 multiply minus 4. So 16 and z square. So z square. Now see children, here x is equal to what? 2x. X is equal to what? See, here x is equal to what we consider now? 2x. And y is equal to what we consider? 3y. Y is equal to 3y. And z is equal to what we consider? Minus 4z. So see children, x is equal to 2x, y is equal to 3y and z is equal to we can consider minus 4z. So see children, here x square we written as 2x square, y square we written as 3y square, z square we written as minus 4z square. Now we will write this plus 2xy. So plus 2 then 2 x then what we have to consider? 2x. This x means what? 2x. So we can write 2x. Y means what we consider? 3y. So we can write here 3y. Now plus what? 2xy is, this is the 2xy. Now we can write 2yz. So 2 then 2. Y means what we have to consider? 3y. So we can write 3y. Then what? Z. Z means what we consider? Minus 4z. So we can write here minus 4z. Then plus 2zx. So plus 2zx. So z means what? Minus 4z. Minus 4z. And then x. X means what? 2x. So we can write 2x. Now this arrangement again I am explaining to you. Now see, square of the 4x square. So square of the 4 is 2. So 2. Square of x square is what? X, and z square. Plus then plus. Square root of 9y square. So square root of 9 is 3. Square root of y square is y and its square. Square root of 16 z square. Square root of 16 is 4. But here we written minus 4 because negative sign is available with yz and xz. In yz and xz, z is common. So negative sign we can write with z. So 16 square root minus 4 and this z. Now we can write 2xy. But see here 2x, x is equal to 2x, y is equal to 3y and z is equal to minus 4z. 2x we can consider x, 3y we can consider y and minus 4z we can consider z. So 2xy. So this 2x, x means what? 2x. So in bracket 2x, y means what? 3y. So we written here 3y. Now we can write 2yz. So this 2y is equal to what? 3y. So 3y and z is equal to what? Minus 4z. So we can write minus 4z. Next is what? 2zx. So this 2z, z is equal to minus 4z. So minus 4z x is equal to what? 2x. So we return 2x. Now we will check our arrangement is right or wrong. So see children, 2 square, 2 2s are 4, x square then x square. So 4x square came. Now 3 square, so 3 3s are 9 and y square. So 9y square came. Now minus 4 square. So minus 4 multiply minus 4. So positive 16 and z square. Now see children, here in 2 multiply 2x multiply 3y. 2, 2 and 3 are constant. So we will multiply them. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and this xy. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12xy. So see 12xy came. Now here 2, 3 and minus 4 are constant. So 2 3s are 6. 6 multiply minus 4. So 6 4s are 24. So 2 3s are 6 multiply minus 4. Minus 24 yz. So see children, minus 24 yz came. Now this 2 multiply minus 4 multiply 2. See 2 multiply minus 4z multiply 2x. So 2 multiply minus 4 minus 8. Minus 8 multiply 2 minus 16. So minus 16 and this xz. So xz. So our arrangement is right. Now see children, what is our answer? Our arrangement is right. Then we can write in bracket first term, second term and third term and its whole square. So we can write x is equal to what? This 2x plus then plus this 3y and this minus 4z whole square. It is our answer. Again I am explaining. This 2x plus then plus this 3y and this minus 4z whole square. Our final answer is this 2x, so 2x, this 3y then plus 3y and this minus 4z then minus 4z whole square. So our final answer is 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. Like this, x plus y plus z whole square. Same way, 2x plus 3y minus 4z bracket over and whole square is our answer. So this is the normal explanation of opposite of identity number 5. I hope you can understand this. Thank you.